Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. This is Krishna and today we're going to be drawing a very easy Christmas tree. This drawing is very simple so it can be made by preschoolers or young ones. If you would like to make this really easy Christmas tree with us, be sure to keep on watching this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to all of our videos. Alright friends, let's start drawing our Christmas tree. First, we're going to make a leaf type of shape, or a triangle. We're going to make a dot here to help us, and then we'll go down, and we'll try to make that symmetrical. That means the same on both sides. Now from here, I'll make little loops to connect from this side to this side. Next, I'll make the second portion. This will be the same as the first one. It's just going to be a little more bigger. And then we do same again. There's a lot of ways to make a Christmas tree, but I chose this way because it's the easiest. So you basically just do the same exact pattern all over again until you reach like the second last bottom. Let's add one more. And then we're done. Now we'll add a little branch. Maybe we'll make that go a little broad. And we'll add little zigzags for grass. Now our Christmas tree's done, but now we gotta add our ornaments. First, I'll add a star. We'll make little triangles. So I made a V-shape connecting from the tree. I'll make another V-shape on each side, make it symmetrical. Another V-shape and another one. That's our star. Maybe we'll add little triangles to add some more detail. And we'll add the ornaments. We'll just make little circles for the ornaments. On each tier, you can add little circles, as many as you want. Maybe we can add a little candy cane for the ornaments too. You just make, so first you make a curve, a little curve again, another curve following the first one, and a curve to end that off. Lots of curves. So you can just add little candy canes throughout your Christmas tree. Ornaments come in all different shapes and sizes. You can get Santa Claus ornaments. Maybe with this tree you can add your own little ornaments. Like maybe you can make a gingerbread man. And as you can see, we've made some candy canes. Alright, now we're done with our Christmas tree. The last part to do is color it. We're going to fast forward this part. You can color your tree any way you like to make it look really colorful and unique. Let's start coloring.